All right, this is one of my favorites because we're graphing functions, okay? How do I know it's a function? Because every input has exactly one output, all right? The domain is the input. The range is going to be my output. If I can spell output, all right? The domain is the x value. The range is the y value. Again, all these letters and words come first in the alphabet as opposed to range and output and y. So these guys are x, these guys are y. Okay, when it says to graph the function of y equals 2x minus 1 with the domain of -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and identify the range of the function, what it's really saying is, hey, look, I have the x values, here's the equation, I want you to find the y values, and then I want you to graph. So the easiest way to do that, set up a wonderful chart. Here's my x values, are in this case are the domain. Okay. Here's my equation, y equals 2x minus 1. We're going to find the y values, which is the range. And we're going to come up with our order pair. And we're going to graph. Okay? We know what our domain is because it's given to us. It's -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Since it's given to us, all we got to do is plug it in. All right? So all we got to do is say y equals 2 times -2 minus 1. Well, that's where PEMDAS comes into play. 2 times -2 is -4 minus 1. Good. -5. So what's my order pair? -2, -5. My domain other value is -1. So what am I going to do with the -1? I'm going to plug it in. So y equals 2 times -1 minus 1. 2 times -1 is -2. Minus 1 is, good, -3. So what's my order pair? -2, -3. 0 is my favorite. Anytime we have this, 0 is the easiest domain to plug in because anything times 0 is 0. So y equals 2 times 0 minus 1. 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 1 is -1. So what's my order pair? 0, -1. My absolute favorite when it comes to this. And it just becomes easier. Okay, plug in 1. So we get 2 times 1 minus 1. Well, 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 1 is +1. So my order pair is 1, 1. Plug in 2. Y equals 2 times 2 minus 1. So we get 4 minus 1. And we get 3. So my order pair is 2, 3. So what is my range? Again, the range is the y values. So when it asks you to identify the range, all you're going to do is say range is -5, -3, -1, 1, and 3. And then you're going to plot. Okay? Again, I would encourage you to label. I would even put in your numbers over here. So 2, 4, 6, -2, -4, -6, 2, 4, 6, -2, -4, -6, and then plot your points. -2, -5, oops, this is -1, isn't it? Sorry about that. -1, -3, 0, -1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Do you notice anything going on here? How many of you guys notice what's going on with my points? Good. It's going up 2 to the right 1. That's important to realize, it's important to see, and we'll be discussing that in this chapter. It's going up 2 to the right 1 each time. We will be discussing that in the chapter. And this point has a really important name as well. All right? So, I want you guys to take this and do this problem, all right, by yourselves. Do it. The sub will have the answers, so you will check this with the sub, all right?